Money is everywhere. These days, you can monetize anything if you just open your eyes. And thanks to the internet. In this video, I will be sharing some tips on things around you that you can make money from that you probably haven't noticed before. Listen, I'm a firm believer that every woman should have her own money, irrespective of your relationship status, single or married. And there is an African proverb I love so much. It says, your own is not our own, meaning you have your money, I have my money, and we have our money. Tip number one, monetize your everyday life. Yes, girl, you shouldn't have to waste your knowledge. You just don't have to. Your time, your skills, girl, you can monetize it these days. Now, what do I mean by this? If you love talking, and if you enjoy any sport, let's say, for example, you love talking about boxing or you love talking about tennis, and you have a fair knowledge of that sport, girl, why not start a podcast? Yes, you can actually start a podcast using your phone or perhaps a YouTube channel, a faceless one, just like the one I am running now. You can start one and you can have a conversation with a friend who likes the same topic. So instead of you guys sitting down and arguing about this sports or talking about the sports, why not invite people or friends or people you have these conversations with and you guys record yourself and talk about it? Give your highlights, give what you think about the sport, and just record yourself do it. Girl, you can monetize that. And when you start doing this, you start getting recognized and your own crowd on the internet will follow you. And when you give people value from your content, and they will reward you. And how do people reward you? They will buy your stuff, they will subscribe to your channel. And one way that you can monetize such channel is by selling print on demand t-shirt. Girl, yes, you can sell t-shirts, you can sell face cap, and I know you probably have seen this on people's channel. Yes, you can actually do it. And you are not the one printing it, you are not handling any shipping, you are not, nor are you handling any inventory. Girl, the only thing that you will be handling is your money. So basically what you go on a partnership with these printing companies such as Printly, Gelato Connect. There are loads of them out there. Just do your research and you connect and you just partner with them and you just put your designs on these t-shirts, face cap, mugs and stuff like that. And your loyal people, your loyal followers, they will reward you and they will buy from you. Another example of ways you can monetize your life is you starting a podcast again. But if you are the kind of person like the therapist friend, listen, girl, everybody has that kind of friend in their circle, the friend that everybody goes to, and that friend has an advice for everyone. And if you are that friend that seems to have advice for every question, and you know how to comfort people, you know how to give the right words at the right time, girl, that is a gift. And it is time for you to bring that gift to the world and share it on the internet. You can basically start a podcast where you can give advice to females and go back to questions and daily life questions and issues that you have helped friends solved before, and you can use it to go on with your channel and talk about these things. Trust me, if it happened to one woman, it's happened to 20 women. And when you start gaining momentum on the internet, you start asking your followers to send their questions in, and you start answering their questions. You start giving them advice on what to do, on stuff to do on that particular topic. And you can monetize your podcast through paid sponsorship as well. And as well, you can start a YouTube channel. And girl, you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. But these days, podcast on YouTube is going wild. So you can as well start one if you are okay with showing your face. Girl, you can do one. And another way that you can actually monetize your daily life is by taking pictures. So, if you are the kind of person that loves to take pictures, or you take pictures randomly and you post them on Instagram for free, Girl, you are leaving money on the table. One thing that you can do with this is that you can sell your photos. You can sell them on sites like Shutterstock, iStock, Adobe Stock, and some other photo platforms. And when someone buys your photo, some of this platform, they give you about 33% commission. Baby, that is passive income. So basically, you take these pictures and you upload them on the site, and every time someone downloads it, you make money. So you do it once and you chill. So the more pictures you upload and the more people download them and they pay for these pictures, the more money you make. Now, the site that I use is called Hiam.com. And yes, that is one of my side hustles. Iron.com allows amateur photographers like you and I to make passive income with our photos taken with our phone. And guess what? Iron will pay you as much as $350 per picture. Yes, if that particular picture is chosen. So I have an account with them. Basically, all you have to do is go there, register, and start taking pictures and uploading your pictures. Girl, all you need is your mobile phone that you are already using to take pictures to put on Instagram for free. And if you're like, okay, girl, I don't know how to take proper pictures or I don't know how to edit and stuff like that, this is something you can learn on YouTube. There are so many channels, thousands of channels that will teach you how to take picture with your phone. So if you have a mobile phone, an iPhone, Android phone, girl, you can start monetizing your daily picture taking. The pictures you take when you're going to church, picture you take when you're just chilling, when you're just cooking, any picture, just give it a good edit and that is it, and you will make money from it. Listen, honey, opportunity to monetize your daily life, it is endless these days, and thanks to the internet. So, before we move on to the next point, if you have not subscribed and if you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for, girl? Help your sister out. Please, can you subscribe? Can you like this video so this video can reach as many people as possible? And as well, I want to grow my channel. I want to get my channel to 1,000 subscribers. Please help your sister out. I'm asking respectfully. Okay. I'm trying to make a fool of myself now. But please do subscribe. Thank you, girl. Now, let's move on to the next point, which is monetizing your hobby. That is right. If you have an hobby and you enjoy that hobby, why not monetize it? Because let me tell you this, if you enjoy it, I bet you this, there are other people who enjoy it as well on the internet. So you can start a micro niche blog around your hobby. So what is a micro niche blog? I guess you're already asking, but I'm going to tell you. Chill. Let me tell you. A micro niche blog is a blog that is focused on a specific topic in a particular community. So a micro niche blog serves a handful of limited interests. For example, it could be that your hobby is you love reading non-fiction books or romance book. Girl, you can start which is a micro niche blog on book review. So you can review your books, you can review makeup, you can review anything on a small blog, just a small group of people. It doesn't have to be everybody, just a small niche. It could be homemade cooking, it could be homemade gardening, it could be just makeup, like I said, it could be skincare. Girl, you can start monetizing your hobby. It could be dancing, it could be gardening. Why are you doing these things for free? That is what I don't get. You see how people say, oh, I'm broke, I don't have money, I hate my job, what I'm doing, I don't have enough money to pay my bills. But I can see you dancing for free. Why not monetize it? Girl, you can monetize it. And one of the ways that you can monetize it is by you putting affiliate links on your blog. What is affiliate link? So affiliate link or affiliate program is when you recommend products to your followers, and when they use your link, you make a commission. so it doesn't affect their payment or anything like that. Basically, the company pays you for recommending people to them. Girl, stop doing things for free. Please. You are dancing and twerking for free. You are doing your gardening for free. Next time you're doing your gardening, take your camera down to your garden and video yourself. Tell us about the plant. Show us how you are digging it up. Show us how you are putting in the seeds. Trust me, your community will find you. Write about it, talk about it. Seriously, and you can make money as well from ads placed on your website. I love blogs. Seriously. And when you have these mini blogs, you can really just target very little small people, like this small community where you guys just have your thing going on in the internet. Micro blog niches are easy to start and they can bring in passive income. And there are so many ways you can turn your hobby into cash nowadays in the internet. And you might argue that one of most of these days, everything is saturated. Everybody has done this. We will listen to. Girl, if you really want to make a difference in your life, you will find a way. Because there is no business that is not saturated. Everyone is doing it. But people will connect with you because of you. People connect with people for different reasons. There are so many people doing makeup reviews, but people connect with their own people doing the same thing. I might like you because of your voice. I might like you because of the way you do your thing, the way you put your eyeshadow, the way you smile. Or I just connect with you the way you speak. And basically, what I do here, though I don't have loads of subscribers, but I'm grateful for the few people that took the time out to subscribe to my channel and listen to me blab on the internet because they connect with me. The other people will do what I do, but they like what I say and they connect with me, even though English is not my first language, as you already noticed. But people still listen to me. So, girl, start. You don't have to wait to be perfect, like I said. Find your path and be focused, and your own community will find you. This year, you just focus on your craft, and monetize everything on your path. Don't leave any money on the table, no matter how small. Girl, just go for it. This video basically is just tips for you to see that money is everywhere. So on this channel, I'll be making more videos specifically on things that you can do, side hustles that you can start that will give you extra money, put extra money in your pocket. And I'll be talking about other stuff that I normally talk about: self-esteem, improving our confidence as Black women, as well as I'll be making content as well for my plus size ladies who will subscribe to the channel for just that kind of topic. So let me say this: there are three kind of people in this world. The people who complain about their financial hardship and do nothing about it to change it for good. And the second people are the people who consume information which turns into information overload, and they never take steps with those or these informations that they have received. And there are people, which is the third people, they are the people who takes an information and run with it. Girl, this year I want you to take informations and run with it. So at the end of this year, you can say, or we all can say, that this is what I've achieved, this is what I've achieved, and that is how you win, by taking steps, not by taking information and doing nothing about it. Anyway, my darlings, if you have watched this video to this stage, I am grateful and I thank you so much. And I'll be coming in to you with another video as soon as possible. No more ghosting. I will be better this year. I am focused on my path and I'm going to be bringing more valuable content to you on this channel. So, my darlings, I'll see you on my next one. Adios.